Hello, guys. This is our small nature aquarium, and in the starting, we kept big fishes, which we removed after some time as they were eating our aquatic plants. Now you can see the tiny little fishes which have been introduced in this. The plants are growing well. We are changing water continuously in every 2 days, 20% of the water. We add some CO2 drops and soil fertilizer. The soil used is Amazonia aqua soil. Everything seems to be very good and fresh. You can see the cardinal tetra, neon tetra, guppy, white fins, freshwater white shark, Siamese algae eater, and the black fins. And here we have used some lights for the photosynthesis, better photosynthesis. Increase the light density by adding extra tube and a strip of LED bulbs. Yeah, this is freshwater white shark hiding in this shell, and she does not allow anybody. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.